Why do we feel the urge to buy during a sale, even if we don't need anything? Why does a viral video make us question our own life choices? पैसे बचाना इतना मुश्किल क्यों है जब हमें पता है कि पैसे बचाना जरूरी है? If these questions have ever crossed your mind, आप सही जगह पे हैं. Hi, I'm Koisha Mukherjee, founder and CEO of The Leading Youth, and I'm going to be talking all things economics in our brand new series.
Hi, my name is Amrita, and I am a training partner at the Leading Youths, and I'm going to decode all things psychology in our new series.
So, welcome to the Leading Youth's brand new series, Brain, Behavior, and Big Ideas, where we decode how economics and psychology shape the decisions you make every single day. From your grocery bills to your Google searches, unseen forces are influencing your thoughts, actions, and habits. But here's the thing, आपको PhD की जरूरत नहीं है इकोनॉमिक्स समझने के लिए. You just need the right lens. And that's what I'm here to share with you. Every week, we will break down the economics behind the trends we follow, the prices we pay, and the systems we live in, the psychology behind why we behave the way we do, and कैसे दोनों मिलके affect the way we work, live, spend, lead, and even feel. So this isn't textbook theory. This is about giving you skills for life, ताकि आप बेहतर सोच सके, बेहतर decisions ले सके, and spot the patterns that no one told you about. Economics isn't just about budgets or boring charts. It's the invisible system behind the prices you pay, the opportunities you chase, and the decisions countries and companies make. तो हम यहाँ आपकी लाइफ सिंपल, प्रैक्टिकल और रियल बनाने के लिए आए हैं. From inflation to opportunity cost to why salaries don't always keep up with skill. तो चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं ये क्यों जरूरी है. Let's look at something you have definitely experienced, like a flash sale. चाहे वो Amazon हो, Flipkart हो, Black Friday deals, or a one-day only deal at Big Bazaar, all promising the best deals if you act fast.
So, Koisha, what exactly is a flash sale?
So, a flash sale is when a brand suddenly offers a big discount for a very short period of time. So, let's say 50% off only for the next 2 hours, or an exclusive today only deal like we would see in a Big Bazaar or DMart or shops like that. तो ये आपको urgent feel कराता है, exciting लगता है, but there's more that's going on behind the scenes. So, what's really at work here? Mainly, two economic levers are at play. The first is scarcity. When supply looks limited, the demand spikes. So when something seems limited, आपको लगता है कि उसका perceived value बढ़ गया है.
तो इसका ये मतलब है कि अगर कोई चीज का सप्लाई कम है या लिमिटेड है तो उसका डिमांड गोज अप.
Exactly. So the way scarcity works is you want more of it simply because वो supply में आपको कम दिख रहा है. So in economics, scarcity means something is limited. So when time or stock is limited, आपका brain automatically सोच रहा है, I'm going to miss out. And that triggers FOMO, also known as fear of missing out, and that pushes you to buy faster. The law of demand in economics says when the prices are going down, more people want to buy it. So a flash sale makes the product cheaper and makes it feel exclusive, so the demand shoots up. इसको हम और एक लेंस से देख सकते हैं जो कि सेकंड फैक्टर है आफ्टर स्कार्सिटी, एंड दैट्स द परसीव्ड वैल्यू. सो नाउ व्हाट इज दैट? लेट्स से एक 2000 रुपया का प्रोडक्ट सेल पे है जो आपको सिर्फ 999 रुपीज पे अभी मिल रही है. तो आपको लगता है कि ये एक बहुत बड़ा गेन है, सो इवन इफ यू डोंट नीड इट, यू वांट टू बाय इट.
तो ये क्या कोई मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है टू ट्रिक कस्टमर्स?
एब्सोल्युटली. इसको हम एंकरिंग भी बोलते हैं, जिससे द डील just appears better to the customer. तो जो 2000 रुपीज वाला एग्जाम्पल अभी हम समझाए जो कि आपको सिर्फ 999 रुपीज पे मिल रही है, that 2000 rupees essentially acts as an anchor. So even if the 999 rupees is the real value you actually end up paying, your brain feels like you are getting a steal. So that's the pricing trick. So economically, you are making a purchase based on the perceived savings and not on any real utility. So this means आपको लगता है कि आपने पैसे बचाया, बट इन रियलिटी आपने कुछ भी नहीं बचाया. तो इसको थोड़ा और समझने के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल यूज करते हैं. मान लीजिए आप दुकान गए, आपने कोई भी एक ब्रांड का जैसे जारा का जैकेट देखा जिसका एमआरपी इज 5000 रुपीज, बट वही जैकेट आपको सेल पे सिर्फ 2000 रुपया में मिल रही है. तो आपके ब्रेन को ऑटोमेटिकली लगेगा कि वाओ, आई एम सेविंग 3000 रुपीज ऑन दिस जैकेट. So even if you weren't originally planning to buy any jacket anyway, you actually end up spending that 2000 rupees and not saving anything. So that's the perceived savings. It feels like saving, but it's actually you ending up spending. So in economics, utility actually means how useful or satisfying something is to you. So when I said there's no real utility in this case, it means that although you bought it, it doesn't really add much value to your life क्योंकि आपको वो जैकेट की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. आपने वो खरीदी जस्ट बिकॉज आपको एक अच्छी डील मिली उस पर. ऐसे और भी डील्स हम मॉल्स पे देखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू गो टू एनी आउटलेट शॉप आपको दिखेगा बाय 2 get 1 free. लेट्स से इट्स अ शर्ट. तो आपने अब 3 शर्ट्स खरीद ली जबकि आपको मे बी 1 या 2 शर्ट की ही जरूरत थी. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि इन रियलिटी में बी यू एंड अप वेयरिंग ओनली 2 ऑफ दो शर्ट्स. तो जो तीसरी शर्ट है उसमें कोई रियल यूज या रियल यूटिलिटी है ही नहीं क्योंकि आप वो पहनेंगे ही नहीं. सो इन शॉर्ट, यू आर नॉट सेविंग इफ यू डिडंट नीड इट, एंड यू आर नॉट विनिंग इफ यू डोंट यूज इट. तो ये सब क्यों मैटर कर रहा है एंड व्हाई आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस टुडे? So in today's economy, knowing how the system works is a survival skill because every choice you make, where to work, what to invest in, whether to buy or wait, is influenced by systems much larger than you. From inflation and unemployment to AI disrupting industries, we will explore in this series how all of these forces affect your career path, your income, and your time and energy. So, by learning to think economically, you're not just saving money, आप दुनिया को बेहतर समझ रहे हैं and playing smarter within it.
Great. So now we're going to look at the psychology of everyday choices. If economics is about systems, then psychology is about behavior. And human behavior ये हमेशा logical नहीं होता है, but it is predictable. Economics क्या करता है? It looks at big systems, जैसे कि markets, governments, jobs, money, and it tries to understand how resources are used. But on the other hand, psychology, it looks at an individual person. हम कैसे सोचते हैं, हम कैसे feel करते हैं, हम कैसे behave करते हैं. So the catch is कि economics assumes people, they always make smart logical choices. Example, हम हमेशा पैसे बचाएंगे या फिर हम हमेशा शॉपिंग करने जाएंगे तो हम बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट लेके आएंगे. But psychology shows us we don't always act logically. In fact, we follow patterns, habits, and emotions. And ये चीजें, it makes our behavior predictable, even if it's not always rational. So we're going to talk about why we do what we do, even when we know better. Why we procrastinate. हम कुछ भी impulsively क्यों खरीद लेते हैं? हम compare क्यों करते हैं? Or why do we crave validation?
So, Amrita, how does validation affect our day-to-day decision-making skills?
Okay, so first let's look at what does craving validation mean? It means कि As a human, हम लोग का एक need है to feel accepted, approved, and recognized by others. We want to be liked, we want to be seen, and often we look at others to tell us that we're doing okay instead of trusting ourselves. So, अगर कोई थर्ड पर्सन हमारा डिसीजन को वैलिडेट कर देता है कि यू नो व्हाट, आई थिंक कोयशा यू डिड द राइट थिंग, तो ये हमको एक कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट देता है. Sometimes we already know we took the right decision, but we crave this validation कि कोई थर्ड पर्सन आके इस चीज को रिकग्नाइज करेगा और बोलेगा तुमने सही किया है. So it's not that we don't know better, but we let others silently influence our decisions, and the best part is that we don't even realize it. Let's look at the sale example, but from the inside. The economics part of it is clear. Now let's look at how it feels. तो इकोनॉमिक्स टर्म स्कैरसिटी, जैसे कोयशा ने एक्सप्लेन किया, इट मीन्स कि अगर कोई चीज लिमिटेड है, उसका जो परसीव्ड वैल्यू है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है. नाउ इसमें एक साइकोलॉजिकल प्रिंसिपल इज एट प्ले. दिस प्रिंसिपल इज कॉल्ड लॉस अवर्जन, which means कि we hate losing out more than we like winning. And together, these two things, they trigger FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. So जब आप देखते हैं only 3 items left, ये क्या करता है? एक spike of urgency trigger करता है in you, and your brain is responding to the psychology principle of loss aversion, because the fear of missing out right now is stronger than the joy of gaining.
तो अमृता, ये चीज़ ओनली 3 आइटम्स लेफ्ट हम ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में काफ़ी ज़्यादा देखते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, इवन इफ यू आर शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन ऑन मिंत्रा और व्हिचएवर साइट, उसमें दिखाता है कि 3 आइटम्स लेफ्ट इन स्टॉक, एड इट टू द कार्ट. So I have heard of risk aversion in economics, but what is loss aversion here?
So, loss aversion means that people feel the pain of losing something much more strongly than they feel the joy of gaining something of equal value. In simple words, अगर आप 500 rupees आप lose कर देते हैं, आपका लॉस हो जाता है 500 रुपए का, वो आपको ज्यादा हर्ट करता है, ज्यादा चुभता है as compared to if you gain 500. So when you see only 3 items left, sale ends in 10 minutes, this is your last chance to book it. All of these things, it triggers loss aversion, and आपका brain panic करता है कि oh my god, I'm going to miss out on this opportunity, and this makes you act faster so that you don't miss out, you don't avoid a loss. So sometimes even when the deal isn't great, कोई आपको कमाल का ऑफर नहीं मिल रहा है, you didn't even plan to buy something, but ये जो loss aversion है, ये आपको ट्रिगर करता है and it nudges you to act now. इसको अभी खरीद लो, नहीं तो ये नहीं मिलेगा. And if other people are buying it too, then it's herd mentality, because you don't want to be left behind.
So how does herd mentality actually work in practice?
Herd mentality means कि we tend to follow what others are doing, especially when we are unsure. Instead of thinking independently, our brain says, if everyone is doing it, then it must be the right thing. A simple example is, every year there's a new iPhone that is released, and there are hundreds of people जो line में लगते हैं to buy this new iPhone. Now, most of these people, they don't even know कि new iPhone, how is it better than the previous iPhone? या फिर इसमें क्या technological upgrade हुआ है? Most of these people don't even need a new iPhone. उन्होंने बेशक पिछले साल ही लिया होगा. But ये जो herd mentality है, ये इनको trigger करती है. This comes because हमारा जो mind है as humans, it is deep rooted with a desire to belong to a specific community. We want to always be in a group. For example, ये iPhone example में, we want to be associated with the group of people who use iPhones. We want to belong to that community. So which is why this herd mentality principle is at play, and it wires the mind for quick decisions and not deep reflection. So understanding your own psychology here, it helps you protect your time, energy, and attention. In the world of algorithms, emotional manipulation is a constant comparison and self-awareness is your edge.
So, how exactly does emotional manipulation work in this scenario?
So, emotional manipulation is when your feelings are being intentionally influenced to make you do something, and often you don't realize it. For example, जब आप anti-aging cream का ad देखते हैं, it triggers a feeling of insecurity in an older person because they feel कि, oh, I am not young anymore, so my skin is not the same, I don't look beautiful enough, I need this cream. और अगर आप एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का एड देखते हैं, इट ट्रिगर्स द फीलिंग ऑफ फियर एंड गिल्ट इन यू कि अगर ओवरनाइट मेरे साथ कोई हादसा हो गया, कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया, तो दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई हैव एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लीव माय फैमिली अनप्रोटेक्टेड. तो अब these are examples of emotional manipulation. इसमें क्या होता है कि when this is at play, you don't sit and introspect कि is this product good for me? You know, ये anti-aging cream में क्या chemicals use हो रहा है? और ये life insurance policy, is it the best in the market? But वो emotional manipulation क्या करता है? It triggers you to act fast and your behavior is not always in your control. And sometimes you make decisions with this which do not benefit you. So, the truth is that understanding economics and psychology, it isn't about sounding smart, it's about being ready for every decision you will make from here on. Economics explains the world around you, and psychology explains the world within you. And together, they give you a complete toolkit for thinking clearly, making smart choices, and staying ahead in a changing world. So, you need to stay tuned with what's coming up next. And our very first episode of the series will be about the Prada Kolhapuri Chappal backlash. So, hit that subscribe button, drop your questions in the comments, and tell us what's one everyday mystery you've always wanted explained. Thank you.